ಹಲೋ ಹಾಯ್ ವಿವರ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದೊಳಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವೇರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ MCQ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವೇರ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ obtaining measurements from maps, photographs, satellites and radars ಅಂತಿದೆ. So the right answer option B, photography is the right one. Photogrammetry is the science of obtaining measurements from photographs. Next question, the main advantage of aerial surveying over ground surveying is. Main advantage of aerial survey the main advantage compared to ground surveying ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so higher manpower requirement, covers large areas quickly and efficiently, lower accuracy, more field measurements. So the right answer option B, covers large areas quickly and efficiently. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, an orthophoto is options raw aerial photograph, geometrically corrected aerial image, satellite image, thermal image. An orthophoto is a geometrically corrected aerial image. So option B is the right one. Next question, question number 4, which survey method is most suitable for inaccessible or mountains area? So options, chain survey, compass survey, aerial survey, plane table survey. The right answer option C, aerial survey is the right. Next question, which of the following is not an application of photogrammetry? ಕೆಳಗಿನವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಯ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಪೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್, ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್, ವೆದರ್ ಫೋರ್ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಪೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್, urban planning and mining survey, and option C, weather forecasting. So option C, weather forecasting is not an application of photogrammetry. So next question, question number 6, which instrument is used to observe a stereoscopic view of overlapping aerial photographs? Transit, stereoscopic, compass and dumpy level. So the right answer option B, stereoscope is the right one. Next question, question number 7, which of the following is the biggest advantage of aerial surveying? So aerial survey the biggest advantage ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so covers large area quickly and rapidly, requires more field work, lower accuracy and cannot map accessible areas. So the right answer option A. Question number 8, the science of creating 3D models from overlapping photographs is called cartography, photogrammetry, geodesy and hydrography. The right answer option B, photogrammetry. Question number 9, ground control points are used to increase aircraft speed, improve positional accuracy, measure rainfall and detect clouds. The right answer option B, improve positional accuracy. Next question, the scale of an aerial photograph depends mainly on camera focal length and flying height, temperature, wind speed and humidity. The right answer option A, camera focal length and flying height. And last question, the point on an aerial photograph directly below the camera is called principal point, nadir, vanishing point and station point. The right answer option B. So these are the land surveyor exam ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆದಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more. Thank you.